this marks a starting point of the second video of did that work? What can I say? If I can save time and energy on editing and not having to look for sound effects, I will do that. If I can just make the sound effects myself, I will do that. So don't try to at me. I'm doing everything possible to make this also enjoyable for myself. Okay? But did you like that intro? If you know where I took the inspiration from, comment down below, because you're a G. Okay. In this video, it's going to be the clicks as my cutting sign. I shouldn't be telling you this because I might not even show you the parts where I do that, but that's why I'm doing this now, so you can get a bit of that. Anyways, we got a new bunch of videos, a new bunch of little small videos for this weight episode. And yeah, they're all through different time frames, different time moments. That's the whole point of this content. I don't need to be repeating that, but clearly you're new to this, so I'm being considerate for your sake. I appreciate that. Okay, in this first video that I will show you, you will witness me struggling to basically talk about this one quote that I've been wanting to share with you. So let's have a little bit of a laugh upon my struggle, shall we? Apologies if you can't see me because of the sunshine. I know, you're all good, aren't you? It's an amazing fucking day. I just had a thought about what Heinz has said that ended up sticking. I put it on my little, what is it, sticky note? And I have some sticky notes on my mirror, and then the things that I need to like occasionally remind myself about. Yeah. And one of the things that he said, I ended up repeating it in my mind, but I don't know how it's gonna come out right now. Like, give me a sec. Wait a second. A quick duckling intermission. Let's go. Duck and duckling intermission. So clearly I struggled quite a bit with that. Pardon me. Hence I ended up recording a follow-up video, which I will move to the side, and instead of showing it all on the screen, I will put it right here. Basically, I found a worse place to do it, right outside the building. So instead of keeping going with that video, I will just speak over it, because I don't think in that video I even managed to phrase the quote as I intended it to. So I guess I'll just tell you straight up myself in this moment, since I can see the post-it note on my wall right now. So I'll let it play there, I'll let it play. So what I was trying to say is, you become confident by having a stack of undeniable proof that you are who you say you are. You simply gotta outwork your self-doubt. Move. So, clearly I'm not in the same mind state to reflect upon that quote at the current moment, but I'll try my best. Truly, that did resonate with me, since, like, that's how you basically build confidence, is in proving to yourself that you are able to do what you place upon yourself, you know? You are able to achieve that, even through the simple, small decisions and steps. I just thought, technically speaking, that's what manifestation is. Don't quote me on that. But it's simply making those little decisions to prove that you want to become the person that you are aiming to become. Outwork your self-doubt. That's totally like on a separate sticky note, because I think those 5 words are very meaningful. Outwork your self-doubt. Self-doubt comes from the loss of trust, or like not having trust in the first place in your own abilities. So you gotta outwork it. You gotta stack that pile of evidence, which signifies you are who you say you are. I practically repeated the quote in like 3 different ways, but you get the point. I just blew out the candle. Shall we move on? I should have prepared a bit more an explanation on that part. But I guess overall it will just simply be me mentioning the quote. Okay, we're moving on. Next part is an entirely different day, but it will be me being on a mission in a nearby park out in the nature, but I'll let myself explain what that mission is. Roll it. I'm on a mission to find a bush, a nice bush to piss at. I have standards for the bushes and for the views and for the privacy, you know. It has to be a good combination of all those. In my mind, I kind of rank it for every category and decide the best outcome. But this place is too public. I'm just around the rooms. Oh, but I'll have to go through. I can just do it there. If I simply understand that nobody is coming out any direction, I'm doing it. I totally forgot that I was still recording. I would have explored a bit more, but I got what I came for. And I think I'm gonna leave home soon, because it does take me 2 hours to get back. And yeah, it's been a long day. I mean, what can I say? Don't talk shit about me, you know? Like, I know the content I'm showing you isn't something grandeur. It isn't, like, fucking amazing. Like, this video was just about me trying to find a perfect bush to piss in. I know. What can I do? I'm just getting the hang of this content itself, you know? I'm just trying to understand how to edit this. This is all a test, but a test that you are witnessing. So be fucking grateful. Okay, I don't want to blow out my candle again. Yeah, I'm just figuring out, you know, allow me. So I'm having fun with it. Just putting videos here and there. from random points of time and connecting it through me right now. So it's all fun and games. This is as much fun as I had. Recently, this has been the most fun I've had with the recordings. And that's what I enjoy with trying out new ideas and new content for my channel. And it's just the difference, you know, even the slight difference in how I make this brings me a lot of joy. And yeah, and it's this type of creativity that I didn't expect to be having fun with at all. So to finish this brisk video off, I will in fact show you a cool, not natural, man-made phenomenon. It will in fact be what I call waterfall, but yeah, I'll just put it here for you to see. Oh, you could see the birds fly away. They can always sense something is coming. Can you hear the water? Okay, it's going, of course. I don't know what you expect. This is like in between a dam and a waterfall, I would say. It's man-made occurrence. They're just letting water out into the river. But it's cool. Okay, stopped. That's all I have for you. This video is basically me testing, just placing videos into the screen and still interacting at the same time. I guess I'll find out later how it works out for me. Anyways, thank you for watching.